We are the world's #1.
Fantastic company.
Remarkable product.
It's excellent. It's excellent.
Fantastic product.
There is no words to express, but this is something which has got sent to India.
Lots of benefits.
Really like America.
I believe in the company. I believe in the product. Total satisfaction. Our gel is the world's best. We are the best.
Excellent products which do not have any side effects, and plus, we are honored.
The products are phenomenal.
FLP products are simple, genuine and honest. They are 100% result oriented.
FLP is your future.
मेरे कजिन है मामा जी का लड़का, उसको ब्रेन अटैक आया था, तो वो एलोवेरा जेल से वो ब्रेन स्ट्रोक से रिकवरी हुआ उसका। फिर मैंने खुद यूज किया 20-25 दिन, और फिर पावर जो देखा, फिर मैं इसको मार्केटिंग में आ गया। B12 के बाद में तो फैंटास्टिक, इसमें मतलब कि जो रिजल्ट्स है वो बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक। तो सीक्रेट ये है कि ये प्रोडक्ट इतना जानदार है, और प्रोडक्ट में क्या बोले अभी उसको कि मतलब हम इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते। मेरे जो रिलेटिव है उन्होंने ब्लड कैंसर के पेशेंट्स को दिया, और उसको बहुत अच्छा रिलीफ मिल गया जस्ट बिफोर 1.5 मंथ।
मैंने एक ब्लड कैंसर वाले को भी देना शुरू किया, और 1 महीने के अंदर उनको 2.5 kg ग्रोथ बताया उन्होंने वेट में, और रेड ब्लड सेल्स भी जो है उनके बेटर हुए, ऐसा वो बता रहे हैं। मेन मैंने एक एसिडिटी के अंदर दिया। मेरी फैमिली में उनको एसिडिटी का क्रॉनिक प्रॉब्लम था, बट शी इज ऑल राइट। अब वो मिर्ची मसाले भी खा सकते हैं। उसके साथ फिर उन्होंने ये भी बोलना शुरू किया कि मेरे को ब्लाउज ढीला होने लग गया, इट मीन्स वेट लॉस आया।
Products are simply phenomenal. Nothing to beat it. All natural. Everybody seems to benefit from them, and that's what it's all about.
We found the products very helpful. It helped a lot of people, and it's from then on, 3 months now that I've become manager now.
I was passing by Asiatic stores at Churchgate and I seen a group of foreigners there. I got curious. I went, excuse me, what is this? They just said, meeting, seminar, ambassador. I went for it. When I seen the video where a girl was sharing her testimony from her heart, she was in tears and she said about her life past and present. I correlated that to my life. I was in tears. It touched me and I said, yes, this is a good company, and that's why I signed up. Then I used just one. That's a tooth gel for my son. He had a problem with his tooth, milk tooth falling down. He couldn't eat sometimes. Then he used it for 4 days, his milk tooth fell off. I felt, this is something good. Then I started in Forever Living. I've seen the last 2 years now with Forever Living, I've seen results. Old ladies coming to me and saying, Baba, thank you very much. The shades are turning back to normal color. The quality is marvelous. I believe we have no competition. Of course, then I read a lot about the company. We have our own research and development where quality is tested at every stage.
Many millionaires will turn up. It's going to be very easy in the coming next 5-6 months. I think FL will become the talk of the town. Forever Living products will become a talk, including presidents, prime ministers of our nation will talk about FLP.
I met a particular paralysis in 1999. Afterwards, you see, I was having lots of problems in my body, you see. There was a heating element like that in this very side, and this hand was not working properly. And after using this product, you see, say around after 3 months, after using this product for around 3 months, I was okay in all respects, you see. I'm quite healthy now. Besides healthy, I'm wealthy as well. My wife is now don't have any problem as far as the health is concerned. She's okay in all respects. My son is okay. My both sons are okay. एक को तो मुहासे थे बहुत बड़े. Now he's very much smart nowadays.
I am 81 qualified chartered accountant, and I am doing my own practice from day one. And I have gone to my regional council election as a chartered accountant. So that is my personal status. But why I have opted this? Because here I can help people, which otherwise as a chartered accountant one cannot. So far as the health is concerned, so far as the beauty is concerned, it is not possible to provide to anybody. That is why I have opted this. And at the same time, we can offer business opportunities. That too for a younger person, that too to poor people, that too who is having a multi-millionaire property. Even then, I can offer the opportunity to them.
I am a living testimony of FLP products, because when I heard about the products, I was in bed. I was almost bedridden because I have a neck problem which is spondylitis.
and I used to have severe sciatic problem. So when both the ends of the spinal column are bad, you can imagine all the small and big joints were in pain. And my life was, like a bedridden person. And from there, when this friend of mine, Renuka Raut, she came to me with the products, and in fact she suggested the business also, and I said at this point of time I cannot take up any business because health wise I'm so weak and I cannot take up any responsibility. She said, okay, fine, you use the products, and in case you find any benefit, then we will think about it. So I started using the products. Within 15 days I was up and about in the house. Within a month and a half I was driving back. But of course I did not wait for that month and a half long period. I just realized within a week, okay, how powerful the products were, and then I started going through the literature what she had given me, and I found the business plan also excellent, because I'm from network, I was doing something else, and I could understand the honesty of the plan. It's a very, very honest and genuine plan. All the products are just wonderful. Starting from the aloe vera jelly to drinking gel to berry nectar, UTI problems and all those problems, it's because it boosts up the immunity, the immune system, and it starts regenerating healthy cells.
My Masi, she's working for St. George Hospital, and she had a very high level of diabetes and high blood pressure. So because of all these complications, doctors couldn't do anything, and though she's from the medical field, she was just lying there helpless. And when I went to see her, I told her about aloe vera, and then she took one bottle and she started feeling really very good. And that's how from that time onwards, I'm very, very happy that this product is actually working for people who have literally lost hope and who are from the medical field. Forget people like us, because we don't have much knowledge about the medical things. There's one more downline of mine whose daughter is just 16 years old, and she had this kidney stone. So her kidney stone was out literally after just one bottle of berry nectar, which was again it was literally like a miracle.
Patience and faith, that is main thing. You cannot say I have had just one gel and I'm not finding any relief. You have to have patience and faith, of course. That is the main thing.
My mother is 78 years old. If at all she's alive today, it's because of aloe vera product, how it has helped her. My brothers, all the other family members, my wife, myself included. I was 37 plus waist. I am 33 and a half.
Initially I didn't believe them, but yes, later on, when I saw the results coming from people locally using the products, my belief in the company came, belief in the products came.
And I would like to grow and grow and grow and multiply.
The real sense of me joining FLP came in when I saw the magnificent, the miraculous way the aloe worked on my son, who was when he was 2 years old, developed asthma or developed wheezing problems. He couldn't have Pepsi, he couldn't have ice creams. Even one spoon of ice cream would lead us to rushing him to the hospital. But someone came from the Philippines and said that this works, that he was an acute asthmatic patient, and this worked. Here in Bombay, doctors had said that no, he has to live lifelong because the pollution in Bombay with an inhaler at hand, as an SOS in the house. But today, thanks to the aloe vera gel, my son is totally out of it. He can have 3 cups of ice cream, he can have Pepsi and all other things, thanks to the gel.
I found the product was very, very good.
Aloe vera basically is God's gift to mankind, because it's got the natural abilities in it to bring in all kinds of miracles around in your health conditions. There's nothing else, I believe, which can give such good, magnificent, excellent health to anybody.
Yeah, they're fantastic products. Unlike anything in the market, our family really benefited from them.